Hi folks, popping in for a quick stretch today. Had a couple of questions today about some shoulder business. So as we know from our other conversations, the front of the body and the back of the body aren't always even. Sometimes you've got more power at the front and a lack of activity going on in the back, and it tends to pull us forward, particularly in the shoulders. So sometimes I'll see people stretching their pecs like this. Let's adjust that just a little bit. So we're going to include the power of the muscles between the between shoulder blades and low back. Let's get them all going and offer a little bit more opening to the front. Alrighty. So lots of you have come with me through this as you just come to a standing position. Knees are unlocked. Turn your hands out. Good. Bring the palms up just a little bit. If you were standing against the wall, you're thinking about how far back can I bring my hands towards the wall? Good. Start to rise from here, elbows and shoulders staying in line. As you drift the elbows back a little bit, squeeze the shoulder blades down strong. Create some power between shoulder blades and spine. If you have lots of range in your shoulder, but you're looking for some strength, you could try and come to a rise. We see this in yoga all the time. Come on back down. Elbows drawing back. Don't let your neck drift forward. You want chin down, neck long. Shoulders are engaged all the way around. This is a little bit more demanding than it looks, and it's a little bit different process than just stretching on its own. So this is a nice match. So this is you sitting in your office chair when your shoulders and your neck are getting grumpy, bringing them all the way up if that's available to you. Come on back down, squeeze elbows back, turn your abs on, turn your legs on, turn everything on. This is a beautiful functional movement for the shoulder. I hope that helps. I hope it relieves some of the tension at the front of the shoulders, at the neck. Take good care, and we'll talk to you soon.